In this section, we will be learning about Introduction to PMO. A project management office, PMO, is a department inside a company that establishes project management standards. The job of the project management office is critical in attaining organizational or corporate goals. PMO can refer to a portfolio, program, or project management office. As per PMBOK Guide, 7th edition, a project management office is an organizational structure that standardizes the project-related governance processes and facilitates the sharing of resources, methodologies, tools and techniques. Also, the project management office facilitates the seamless planning, implementation, and delivery of projects inside the business. Organizations should implement PMO in the early phases to familiarize themselves with the value systems and business models. Instead of competing, other functions will be able to comprehend and assist PMOs. Organizations establish PMOs for a variety of reasons, but with one core benefit in mind: improved project management in terms of schedule, cost, quality, risk, and other facets. PMO serves as both a car and a flight to assist project managers on their project trip. Here is the elaborated meaning of car and flight. A PMO may offer project support services for planning activities, risk management, project performance tracking, and similar activities. Top management should devote attention to establishing PMO as a critical business sector. In the event that the firm lacks acceptable candidates internally, experienced and competent individuals from the sector should be hired to lead the PMO.